Hey guys, I got my 164 scale trucks out here. I don't only do those type of trucks, but I do the smaller ones too. So like on this one, I made it a dually, so I mean it looks pretty sloppy, but if you look, I made it a nice looking dually, I think, personally. Some nice towing mirrors. This one is a really nice truck. It's a Ford F100. It's actually not an F100 anymore. I converted it into a Power Stroke. Well, yeah. And then up top, got the custom motor and everything in there. Custom rims, tires, mud flaps. And this one, all this chrome stuff up here is all custom. These tires are custom. I glued them on, but I just glued them on the original rim. Got a green light toolbox in the back. Custom green light hitch built onto the back of this. Spare tire underneath. This one was the new green light Ford dually, but I converted it into a just a normal truck. Custom headlights, two-tone paint job, lights up top, lights on the back, another diesel tip. Yeah, and there's that one. This one is my favorite. It is a 03 Ford F350 Power Stroke. As you can see, I added this door, well, these doors back here. And I just need to fill this in with, like, some putty or something. But, if my camera would focus, it's a pretty good looking Ford. Custom tailgate in the back. And then we've got this GMC Ford F-150. Another one that I'm working on. My trailer, real life, my dad has a business, Baird Construction, and he has one of these trailers, so I thought I would put his logo on my trailer. I call this one Nasty Green, which is just a Jeep truck that's lifted. And then I got a dump trailer there, 2 horse trailers, a gooseneck, another gooseneck, and another bumper pull dump trailer. And then I've got a camper, a little SWAT trailer, little sheriff trailer. I've had this trailer for a long time, and so what happened is this starts to bend, mainly because it's just thin metal. But I've got an excavator right here. Another trailer. This truck is actually, let me grab this. 1 second, guys. Okay, and so basically, if I move these tires out of the way, it used to have this bed on there, but I cut it off. It's a first-gen Dodge, regular cab, and so I have a truck that I have making a replica of, and so the replica is a flatbed, so I'm going to be making a flatbed with these tires on it.
What?
Which,
What?
food focus, hold on. They're pretty nice tires, but I don't know if you can see back there, but I got my Mustang. But yeah, Thanks for watching my video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. If you want to see more, comment down below. So yeah, thanks.